Okay, today I want to see if the aluminum skid plate is noisier than the factory plastic plate, and if there are some ways to quiet that down if it is. So what we're going to do first here is get kind of a baseline level with the plastic skid. Okay, this is going to be with the Flatland Racing skid plate installed, no modifications. So I was anticipating that this was going to be much louder with the aluminum skid plate than it was with the plastic plate. The engine on this bike is pretty loud, and I figured a lot of that was going to be echoing back up to me. Hopefully you can hear in the video, it really isn't that much louder with the aluminum plate. I think the rubber strip that comes pre-installed on the plate kind of helped a little bit to dampen some of that sound. I did buy some sound dampening material to put onto that skid plate to see if I could reduce the sound, but I have not really felt the need to try it yet. If you would like me to do that test, please let me know in the comments below, and next time I have the plate off I might go ahead and cover that with some sound dampening material and see if it really makes any kind of difference or not. If you haven't yet, please hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Peace.